guys, this is what we're doing this month. We are making a lot of laptop sleeve, just like laptop blackboard. It's a sleeve with no side, everything will be straight up. So we went actually shopping. We get most of the item, but everything is not complete. We have few items inside here, like the zip, the cord, the rope, the big rope, which is the webbing, and the small one inside, which is the taping. And here we have the fabrics we'll be using for part of it and our lining, but the main fabrics are not even here because it's Ankara sleeve we are making, and some of the accessories are here. Okay, I think these are all the accessories, just few that is there. The big rope that is there, few are not here. We have to still wait for them. We've paid for it, but it's coming later on. We have the zip here, we have the plastic hook here, we have the plastic slider here, and we have the square should I say square plastic ring for it. So that's what we'll be doing, and this is the design here. You guys don't mind these dates, you don't have to mind the date. This is exactly what we're doing. So I will take you on the journey of how you can make this. I don't know if I can sit down to talk about it, but after you guys watch this, if you want another video for me to explain what the cost will be like for you to be able to chart something like this, and the time range for you to be able to produce, if you are producing alone or if you have people who if you have few people to work with, and the work sequence, I will gladly do that maybe in a next video or one of the videos. So after you guys watch this, if you are really interested, you let me know so we can just work on that. And we have a lot of work done already that we just need to abandon, but it's not a client's job, it's our own design, our own work. We need to abandon them. As you guys can even see, we have a lot of them here. We just need to abandon this because they need this in just, I think, under a week. No, not under a week, with I think under 3 weeks or thereabout. So we just need to do this for this month, then we can proceed with our own work that we've now prepared down. But whichever way it goes, if we have a time extension again, we'll still continue with our own work. So you see how it goes, or probably we will leave this design till next month. So guys, that's just the update so far. You guys will be watching the time lapse of the process, and thank you guys for being here. For those of you who have not subscribed, gladly do that right away. You can click the subscribe button, you guys will see it, it's on this side. You can click it or go back to the main page, so for you to click there. Subscribe to the channel for more updates. For those of you who are interested in learning bag making, you can get in contact with me. My contact will be in the link in the description. And for those of people who are interested, even if it's not, if you have someone which interested in this, you can share this video with them, share our channel with them, follow us on Instagram for more updates, and at Delight Bag Collection, Okin Luxury and School of Bag Making. Enough talking, enough hearing my voice. I will see you guys later. So guys, welcome to the continuation of the monthly catch-up. We've started the work so far. These are the zip. We've cut the zip, we've not cut the lining and the fabrics we're using, but the interface are almost ready. Here are a few, and the handle for the interface, they are on the floor there. Then we have another interface we have to cut. I think now we are going to make laptop sleeve 150, and right now we've just cut 106, so we are left with 44 to go. And the rope, as you guys can see, that's the big rope here. We've cut the big rope. I think the one that is remaining, where did I, okay, yeah, I didn't know, okay, I didn't get to show you the big rope. It was inside the other sack the other day when I was showing you. So this is it, and it's a very thick one, as you can see, but it's not enough because a few of it's still in the market that we have to go in a few days to go collect. Once I collect it and to start cutting, you guys will be updated. So that is what we are up to so far. We'll continue. Probably you guys will see a little bit of time lapse and keep you guys updated. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you at the continuation. Hmm? Yeah, you can use it. Updates. You still have few. Have those one there. This one. This one. I'm not ready to buy that yet. So guys, we've not been able to update you for the monthly catch up, but I think this will be almost like the end of the video, end of the monthly catch up, because things happen. We are unable to finish to deliver all the work. We were supposed to make 150, but we just make few, and we have few that we are returning back, and some of the accessories, and you know, there's a lot. But probably in the few months to come, we talk about it. There's no time now, as tension is really high and stuff. But the bag are looking very nice, very nice. If you guys can see, very nice. This is it, the laptop sleeve, and the strap is there. So that's the updates. We have a lot, like the zip, everything. Some are here. So that's just it. I hope you guys will learn from this. If you are working with a client, you should specify the time you will be done, and even if they beg to adjust the time to a more lesser time, if you know it's not going to work, let them know on time, because they will come back and be like they never beg for extra time. Just like for fee, when you are charging someone, they will be the one to beg that takes so amount, and if anything should go wrong, they will come back and start talking, start making words as if they never beg for anything. And it is pretty much important to take care of that to avoid trouble in the nearest future. So this is the bag. I'm just trying to turn it right now to supply, to deliver the one we've made so far. So that's just it. So probably subsequently in few days I will talk more to you guys when everything is down, and we can just proceed with the monthly catch up. And if this is where we'll end it, we'll just end it and let you guys know. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you at the continuation. So guys, here is a update from the monthly catch up. Since the last time we make those laptop bag, I didn't get to finish. I was talking about if that will be the end of the video, but we've done a lot. Actually, we've done a lot that we've gone with. We make cap, plenty cap. These are some set again that we are yet to send. We make this. These are the strap for this particular bag I'm showing you right now. We went to the market to do shopping. We've done a lot since then. We've done a lot that we did not get to show. We're just showing this particular one now. So here are the bags. Their design are very unique and tricky to make, but if you look at it very well, you should be able to do something like this. All this sewing, this is not just gum, it's gum and sewing, but you see this sewing, it is made from outside, placing on each other. As you guys can see, you see the way it is, places on each other. So just imagine how you can make this on both sides with a black head machine. See why I say it's tricky and a little bit more difficult. It's made on it. If you guys don't even believe, you see the thread. So let me show you a pic of inside. As you guys can see, that is the inside. You see how we place it, the placement, that's the placement there. You can see the placement from here as well. The outside one, which is the gusset, the side is placed on the front and back one. So it's tricky, especially making this on the black head machine. And even if you have the cylinder bed, if you don't know how to use your machine well, or if you don't have the knowledge of this bag, there's no way you can use those specialized machines to even make this. It's even more difficult compared to using the black head here. So guys, we will not be finishing this today, but probably we're supposed to send this out by tomorrow. We'll finish this, so I will show you the rest of it, so you guys will learn from this. we still have tons of work to do, so we'll proceed with that as time goes on. But again, okay, you are just watching this now. I've not done the introduction for this particular monthly catch up, which I will be doing right now, but you guys would have watched that before me mentioning it now. So guys, thank you guys for watching, and it's already too late for me to do any other thing. I will continue tomorrow and I will keep you guys up to date as I proceed. Thank you guys for being here. If you've not subscribed to the channel, use this time to subscribe. Also give this video a giant thumbs up if you do enjoy it. Leave in the comment section down below what you think. If you do enjoy our video, share this video with people it might be of help to them. For those of you who are also interested in learning bag from us, it is pretty much available. We have it in different packages now, so anyone you want you can choose from there. Price should not be a boundary, a barrier for you not to learn. Again, we have minimum price as well, but you know from the price you are not getting all the information, or at least the information you should be able to arrive at what you need to do. But there are some extra information you need to know, like the trick, the tactics you use to do some certain things. Even if you have the specialized machine, there's still way to do it on those specialized machine. So we'll talk about it more on those more costly video. So that's just the difference. So guys, enough talking. I'll see you guys at the continuation. So guys, as you can see, we are done with all the bags. What I'm doing now is trying to fix the straps. So once I do that, I don't think I will be showing you again, because they need to come pick it up and it's getting too late. So I'll just do that right away and proceed with the rest of the work. So guys, thank you guys for watching. I will see you in next month catch up. So I think I'm going to use this for the thumbnails. So I'm just trying to use it. I hope you guys have watched a lot and have learned how we assemble the rest of the bag, even though you didn't see the beginning of it. So but probably in subsequent months, I will do my best to see if I can make the tutorial of this so that you guys can learn from it. As you can see, you can screenshot this and study it. If you have any question, leave in the comment section down below, or you can chat me up on my WhatsApp.